I'm back with another hair video for you guys. So as you guys can see, I definitely have braids right now, but this is also definitely a wig. And excuse my makeup, I've had this on, I've been filming all day, and I may or may not have been making Snapchats for like 2 hours in my wig because I just love it. This wig is from Delight Wigs. They specialize in braided wigs, but not only knotless braids, which this is their knotless, and I just got regular like square parting. And then these come down to, I don't know if you guys can see, but it comes down to like my hips. My specific unit, this is a 1B. You can get other colors, but I got a 1B, and you can choose to have baby hairs or to not have any baby hairs. I personally love baby hairs, and I feel like that's kind of like what makes it and gives it that is it real or is it not effect. I would definitely recommend baby hairs. They just come braided up, and then you can literally like lay in between the braid and like the lace, and then you get that perfect little baby hair, and then it'll just start to blend in. And yeah, I'm so happy that it turned out well. I love the wig. This wig is super high quality. I don't know if you guys have been subscribed for long. If you haven't, or if you're new, definitely subscribe. But I tried out a braided wig a few years ago, and oh my gosh, looking back now, I think the video is gone now. It should be. I think I have it privated. But that wig was just not it. Like, it was not a full lace wig like this. This has boxes all the way in the back. Like, this is like fully braided. And that one was braided, but it was just like a patch of braids in the back, and then like, it might have even been a closure wig. Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing. You guys should have unsubscribed at the moment I posted that. But if you stuck with me, here we are now. And I think this one is really, really good to not be real and to not, you know, they're not real braids. So to simulate it is pretty cool. I'll stop talking now. If you guys want to see how I install this wig from Delight Wigs, then just keep watching. So now we're gonna get into installing this wig. I'm actually kind of nervous because I just don't know how this is gonna go, but I thought it would be really fun to try it out and see. We're gonna get through this together, and if it's a success, if it's a fail. Braided wig is from Delight Wigs. This is what their cute little bag looks like. And they sent me a thank you card. They also sent me this beautiful bonnet, and it is like satin lines, a beautiful yellow. These colors are gorgeous. Now we're gonna get into the real tea, this wig. I'm guessing this is like a full lace wig, as you guys can see. And the inside has 4 clips and an elastic band. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and see where we're at. Okay, I know we look scary right now, but I have hope that we're gonna get it together. So right now I'm using the clips to kind of push this lace forward as far as it will go so that it will sit and I can lay the baby hairs, because that's going to be really, really important. So I'm going to cut this lace off, and I'm basically just going to cut in front of the braid. So right now I am just cutting out my ears. Okay, so I think the best way for me to work with this is in sections for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure this section. I've already split this down the middle, so that's good. And I'm just gonna use my Godspeed Glue Gel. I use the black one, and then I'm gonna use this Wig Dealer melting spray. And I'm gonna blow dry it and lay it down.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Okay guys, this is the end result, but I did miss one step that I forgot to record, or I really couldn't record it because I need to see in my bathroom mirror. But I took my foundation, which was a NARS foundation, I'll leave the shade down below, and I put it through every single part that you guys see in the front, and then I also, wherever you guys see a baby hair, I put a little foundation right behind the baby hair. And this is the end result after doing that. Okay guys, that is all that I have. I am so glad that this turned out well. Let me know if you guys like the middle part, the side part, you like the little back style, like what do you guys like? And yeah, I think that is about it. Thank you so much to Delight Wigs for sending me this wig, for sponsoring this video. It's been so much fun. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!